Hello and welcome back. Part 2 of the apple pie video. We are doing the crumb topping. I have 1 cup of flour. We are then putting in 1/3 a cup of light brown sugar going into the mix. Then we have, let's see, I didn't add 1/4 a teaspoon of salt because I'm using salted butter. I don't have unsalted butter in the house, so no salt here. Then I am using 1/4 a teaspoon of cinnamon. I added a little more because I love cinnamon. Okay, then I am going to be using a little bit of nutmeg, just a little. Well, seems like my cloves are not even open, so gotta open that. That smells good too. Okay, a little bit of cloves, just like a teeny tiny sprinkling. And then a little bit more, like double a pinch of ground allspice. It's also not open. So I would say like maybe 2 pinches of ground allspice. Also smells really good. Okay, so you're gonna use room temperature butter, the entire stick. You're gonna cut it up into cubes, butter knife, or have a scraper. Maybe I don't usually do. This is a pastry scraper, so you could use this. Specifically made for cutting butter, actually. So your butter should be nice and soft like this. And you're gonna want to, whoops, so soft it is definitely clinging. Wow. This is very messy. So you're gonna cube the butter. Probably gonna use the butter knife too. So once it's nice and cubed, add it to the mixture. Actually, you know what, I'm going to use this to mix everything up first before I add the butter. Wow, all those spices smell delicious. So we have sugar, flour, cinnamon, and all those other spices. And then the salted butter, since I didn't add salt. The rest of it. Baking and cooking is messy. If you don't make a mess, are you really cooking or baking?